How to hide your following list on Instagram. Narration. Hello everyone. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram privacy tips. In this video, I'll explain how to hide your following list on Instagram and what's actually possible in 2026. First, it's important to know that Instagram does not allow you to completely hide your following list on a public account. However, there are privacy options that limit who can see it. The best method is to make your account private. Go to your profile, tap the three-line menu, open Settings, then go to Privacy, and turn on Private Account. Once your account is private, only approved followers can see your following list. Next, you can remove unwanted followers. Go to your profile, tap Followers, find the person you want to remove, and tap Remove. They won't be notified. Another option is to restrict or block specific users. Open their profile, tap the three dots, and choose Restrict or Block. This fully stops them from seeing your following list. Pro tip: if privacy is important, keep your account private and regularly review your followers. This is the only safe and official way to control who sees your following list. That's it. Now you know how to hide or limit access to your following list on Instagram. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment privacy below.